No flash sale on Amazon, Flipkart, or any other kind of e-commerce website, guys. Government has kept their new rules as for these big e-commerce site, because most of the time you have seen it that they are showing some kind of flash sales for the mobile TV appliances, TV and other appliances and all other kind of things. They are showing it and they are playing with the price. What this price and things are doing, a simple person who doesn't know do the how to do online shopping, he is not aware about what exactly is all about the price, what is the price, actual price, and what should we pay. And they are playing around it, sometimes give some discount on this discount, this was the price. So this is affecting a lot, and this affecting to the local shopkeepers. And that's why there is no flash sale on e-commerce. Why it's affecting the local shopkeepers? As per the government rules and regulation, no e-commerce shall allow any display or promote misleading advertisement. Various kind of misleading advertisement has been there. There was a person who has ordered something from Amazon at just very small amount. It was some laptop, and later on that Amazon has asked the high price and some dispute happened. At the end, Amazon has to pay some amount to them. And e-commerce have to ensure none of their parties are listed on their shopping website. They have a website, none of their parties, like they have a people who are showing their products on the Amazon, on Flipkart or other e-commerce site, they should not be listed. No entity should sell goods to online seller operating on the same platform. Also, they don't have another entities are not allowed to sell the same thing on that platform. Now there are more things into that. The reason is why the what exactly these companies have to do. E-commerce companies have to establish an adequate grievance redressal methods for the customers, because when we buy something from online, later on what happens, something has occurred to that product and there is nobody is listening to us, warranty is gone, and so many times it happens. Amazon do have some good policies, like if your product is not proper. Flipkart also have policies that if the product is not proper or something is wrong with the product, you provide the accurate information and they will give you the replacement or the refund for that product. But still there are some situations where they don't get refund and or replacement of their product. Now, this Amazon, Flipkart, and others have to appoint a chief complaints officer for the addressing all these kind of complaints. And also, all e-commerce companies operating in India will need to be registered with government, not just like simply you can do anything. And this is affecting to going to other big companies like Alibaba and other kind of companies are there, and the Club Factory, the other big companies. So no foreign companies will be coming and just simply start selling the things and making the fool people. So you have to be very careful when you are going to buy something from online from the flash sales. So guys, if you like my video, I will provide you some more skills and more information. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.